Hello class. Welcome. How is everyone doing?
Okay, so in class number 3, we have seen the difference between normal spelling and pronunciation. In a word as chair, for example, you find normal spelling, which is marked in blue, and the pronunciation based on phonetic symbols are in green. You see the difference between normal spelling and the phonemic representation? So these symbols are sound representations and they are based on the International Phonetic Alphabet. We have done a sound discrimination and we see that there is a difference between vowels, long and short. For example, E and I. So in words as sheep and ship, they may sound similar, but there is a difference. Sheep is produced with a long vowel sound, E, and ship is produced with a short vowel sound, I. So how do I realize if I am talking about the animal or the means of transport? Well, the difference is the I. So for the animal is sheep and for the transport is ship. Okay, let's make some English sounds. So repeat after me. Remember, for short vowels you make a short sound and for long vowels you make a long sound. So we have I, ship, E, pen, U, book, A, man, A, cup, O, clock, E, camera. Long vowels now. Remember, make them long. O, ball, U, boot, E, sheep, A, hard, girl. Okay? So, remember, there is a difference between short vowels and long vowels. Short vowels are made with a short sound and long vowels are made with a long sound. But today we're going to concentrate on sound E, as in sheep. For example, the words marked in red are made with the sound E, with the vowel E. Well, this may sound funny, but remember, exaggerate to produce the long sound well. So let's read. Do you like your tea sweet? Yes. 3 sugar, please. Again. Do you like your tea sweet? Yes. 3 sugars, please. So let's see how we produce the E sound. To produce this vowel, you have to open your mouth very little, move your tongue to the front, as it is indicated in the picture, and spread your lips. Okay? Move your tongue to the front and spread your lips. E, E. Okay? Let's work with these words alone. They all have E sound. So repeat. Sheep, leek, cheeks, peel, bean, leave. Exaggerate to produce the sound. Words in sentences are different. Sometimes they change their shape. So let's see these words in context. Look out for that sheep. Repeat. Look out for that sheep. Stop it leaking. Stop it leaking. What lovely cheeks. What lovely cheeks. This peel's got vitamin C in it. This peel's got vitamin C in it. Throw out that bean. Throw out that bean. He's going to leave. He's going to leave. Notice that the words with the long E and others that are important in the sentence are said in a quiet way, in a very slow way. This is because they are stressed. So, we have in English words of 1 or 2 syllables or more, but let's concentrate on 1 and 2. And the E sound is also emphatic in these words. It doesn't matter if they are 1 syllable or 2 syllables. Notice that the E sound is also relevant no matter 1 syllable or 2 syllable. For example, 1 syllable words. Cheese, beef, tea, eat, meal, 3, cheap, please, me. Let's see the 2 syllables too. Pita, people, Edam, evening, Eastfield, cheesecake. It doesn't matter. These words have 2 syllables, but the E sound is noticed. Finally, we can relate spelling with pronunciation. For example, in words as numbers ending with teen, you will find a long E, like in 13, 19, 15. In nationalities ending with ESE, the pronunciation is also with a long E. Is, as in Japanese. So in your class file, you will find 4 activities to do. First, listen and underline in your PDF the most noticeable words in the sentences you will relate with the video, so you have to go back to this video. For number 2, you will have to complete a dialogue with the audio that will be posted in Classroom. Number 3 will require listening and match countries and nationalities connected to the spelling we have just seen. Also, the audio will be posted in Classroom. And 4th activity, you have to record yourself reading sentences in activity 1. And you have to send that. That's all. And well, thank you for paying attention and watching this video. I hope you are well. See you soon. Bye bye.